walked through the busy city streets every day, her mind filled with dreams bigger than the skyscrapers around her. She was a young woman with aspirations that soared high, but a wallet that stayed stubbornly empty. Running was Maya's escape, her daily ritual before the city woke up. Each morning, she slipped on her worn-out shoes and hit the pavement, the rhythm of her footsteps echoing her determination to outrun the challenges that boxed her in. One autumn day, amidst the rush and hum of the city, Maya noticed a bright flyer pinned to a wall. It announced a major marathon, a race with a prize so tempting it could rewrite her future. Maya hesitated. Could she, with her old shoes and meager training, compete against those with sleek gear and expensive coaches? But the promise of the prize tugged at her heart, and Maya decided to take a chance. She would enter the marathon. Training became Maya's daily grind, a testament to her relentless spirit. While others flaunted high-tech gadgets and personalized diets, Maya relied on determination and whatever food she could afford. Her shoes, once her only pair, now bore the scars of countless miles, each worn-out sole a badge of her journey toward an impossible dream. The road to the marathon was tough. Some competitors mocked Maya's worn shoes and dismissed her as a non-threat. But Maya used their doubts as fuel. She trained before dawn and after dusk, pushing herself harder with every step, driven by the promise of a better life and the echo of their laughter. Each training session was a battle against her own doubts and the physical toll of pushing her body beyond its limits. Maya ran through rain and heat, her breaths ragged, her muscles burning. But with each day she grew stronger, her determination deepening like roots searching for water in barren soil. As the marathon approached, Maya's nerves mixed with excitement. Standing at the starting line, she felt a surge of adrenaline. The other runners seemed confident, their sleek gear a stark contrast to Maya's humble attire. But when the starting gun sounded, Maya found her rhythm. Today wasn't just about running a race, it was about proving herself, not just to others, but to herself. The marathon unfolded like an epic saga of endurance and perseverance. Maya battled blisters and hunger pains, her body protesting with every step. Yet, with each stride, she drew strength from the cheers of spectators lining the streets, their encouragement like a lifeline pushing her forward. Miles passed like chapters in a novel, each one bringing Maya closer to her goal. She struggled, she stumbled, but she never stopped. The finish line beckoned like a distant shore, and Maya pushed herself harder than ever before. With every ounce of determination, she overcame the pain, her mind focused solely on the prize that symbolized more than just money. It represented hope and a new beginning. Crossing the finish line was a blur of emotions for Maya. Tears streamed down her face as she realized the magnitude of her achievement. She had not just completed a race, she had conquered her fears, shattered expectations, and proven that dreams are not confined by circumstance. Maya's story is a testament to the strength of the human spirit. It reminds us that with courage, persistence, and a belief in oneself, we can overcome any obstacle and turn our dreams into reality. Remember, dreams are within reach if we have the courage to chase them. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspirational tales. Thanks for watching.